I'm Jason. I'm from Masters, class of 2025. I'm currently working as a business intelligence analytics in the F&B industry. The most memorable memory here would be my business negotiation course. So what happened was the professor split the class into two. Then we have our hidden data set that we have to negotiate critically. So my classmates are actually very well-known business professionals. So I got to see how they navigate through the conversation. So that is when I realized that the human skill is much greater than the technology itself. So that is actually the most memorable moment for me. I actually decided to study MBA here because Heriot-Watt is actually very well-known esteemed university with a very large global reputation. So another factor that I consider doing my master's here is also because of its the learning environment and the course itself. It's very practical. Right, MBA program actually encouraged me a lot. I'm actually, my background is actually from marketing and data analytics. So I was always focused on the strategy and data. Now what I can see is I can transfer those strategy and data into something purposeful, insights one. So after getting this course, I can definitely see I can do a lot as a person, and it has changed the way that I work. After this course, I become more confident in changing insights into purposeful insights, for the organization to grow larger. Yes, I'm a proud Heriot-Watt graduate because I can see the difference that already changing in my life. I've changed the way I work, the way I think, and the way I take action to form into a purposeful impact. I'm the seeker of value. My purpose is to find purpose in every experience and make people recognize their own worth. So my goal is to nurture the mindset that every action, big or small, can lead to a purposeful results, not only for myself, but also for the community that I'm part of it.